What's going on, guys? Welcome back to my channel. I'm Surinder, and in this channel I post videos to do with business, side hustles, money, and anything related to that. And in this video we're going to look at how you can edit thumbnails, advertisements, anything for free without Photoshop. So all you're going to do is head over to pixlr.com. That's the URL. So then you will be brought to this page. It's an nice page. So you have two options over here. So yeah, I'm just going to show you guys this one, this version. So this is the editing version. I mostly use this one, so let's get into it. When you click onto Pixlr Editor, you'll be brought to this page. So what you want to do is create new, and you can choose your page. So if you want to do a YouTube thumbnail, the width and height will be different. I'm not sure what it is. Let's just check what it is. So the YouTube thumbnail size should be 1280 by 720. So let's just do that. So you'll be given this page. So this page has nothing in it. Now I'm going to make the thumbnail that you just clicked on. And by the way, these can be copyrighted. YouTube does not apply any restrictions if your thumbnails are copyrighted. Okay, this is on a fixed ratio right now. You're going to put it free, so then you can move around anywhere, right? Like this. But if it's fixed, you can't do that. You go like this. So you go for free. You click on the sides to get rid of the blue highlights. So now over here, before we only had layer 1, now we have image. So these are your layers. So this just add up. If I put this up top, oh, it's PNG, so you can only see the difference. But yeah, this is on top of the first layer. Alright. So now I'm clicking on a random image. You want to go for PNG so you don't have any lines or differentiate different color to the white background. This is PNG, right? So when I copy and paste this into the thing, into the Pixlr editor, you won't see the background. You only see the PS sign. So watch. Ctrl V. Oh no. Yep. See, this is what I didn't want. So this one is supposed to be PNG. This is supposed to disappear when I pasted it in. Should delete that. Get a new one. Or I can just get this one, I think. Alright, yes, that's big. You want to keep on fixed because you don't lose the proportion. And now to add text, all you want to do is go over here and go to the T, I'll say text. Click on that, click on add text. But you can see another layer has appeared. So now that's what I'm trying to say, right? So let's see this. I'm gonna select on the PS sign. If I put the PS sign below the white, it will disappear because the thing is below the image. If I bring it back, it's back. So I'm just gonna find a nice arrow. Like a nice straight arrow. Alright, I'm gonna take this one. Okay, and I'm gonna show you something else as well. This one is black, right? Just gonna change that. Okay, this worked perfectly. As you can see, this is PNG, right? And it's came perfectly. Alright, now I can't really click on this because we're on the text feature right now, right? I can only click on this one, and I can't click on this one. It's something else comes out. So what you want to do is go to the arrange feature. So you go over here, and then now you can click on it. You can click on this one as well to move it, but you can't edit. Or you can edit, I guess. Alright, you see that's black, but I want it to be, say if I want it to be red, all you want to do is make sure this one is selected, go to adjustment, go to color lookup, and then now what you want to do is click on this one and then you can change it. See, over to red, press OK, color should change. That's it. Very simple, guys. And now I'm just gonna put something else. Now I'm gonna put pixel editor. I'm gonna put this all the way up. Now watch this jump over the arrow. See that? Oh, one mistake I've done though. Alright, let's cut this off. By the way, the tick means the thing is displayed. Take it out, you just get this bit. Alright, let's put fixed ratio. And then lower it down. Make sure it looks a little bit similar to this. Alright, nice. Pretty much it. It's like this thumbnail is taking me like a couple minutes. I'm doing a tutorial, it might take a little bit longer, right? And I'm just gonna write. I'll say if I wanted this exact same font, exact same color, but I see me doing, but I can't be asked doing like another time. Click layer. All you wanna do is click on that, click duplicate, drag it across. Done. It's very simple. It's user friendly as well, guys. Now I can try and make this a little bit extra as well. What I'm gonna do is just very extra about. I have to duplicate again, drag it down, duplicate this, drag it across. Now I put the names of this and I put the color as well. Look at this cool editing. Alright guys, so we came to making this now. Oh, I can even change this to make it free. And then now, if I want to change the color of this, that's pretty much it, guys. It's a very minimalistic thumbnail, made just on a pixel editor. Now I don't know if it's gonna get many clicks, as YouTube may not promote my videos to many people. And to make it bold, all you wanna do is click on that, go over the things provided, click on format, bold, done. You wanna do the same for this one. This one looks bold, to be honest, and it's the color. What you're gonna do is go back to format and then bold. Very minimalistic effort needed for this. Very, I don't know, I'd say it's pretty attractive, isn't it? Tell me what you guys think in the comments. Okay, so now we edited the thumbnail for the video. Let me show you some other stuff. So for text, let's see what text they provide us with. Some of them are premium. You might want to pay for it as well. So there's bare fonts. There's bare free fonts. Pretty good. But this one is simply just Arial. The one I'm using is simply Arial. I think it's Arial. Yeah. But say if you wanted other fonts that Pixel Editor does not have, all you want to do is head over to a website called DA Font. Go here. You've got thousands of fonts. Thousands of fonts. That's just a light tip that you can do anytime. So yeah, that's how you edit a thumbnail on Pixel Editor for free. And yeah, I don't know if I missed anything. But these are pretty much all I use. I use adjustment page. I might use a couple shapes if I'm gonna. It depends on what type of thumbnail I'm making. I might stick to a branded thumbnail very soon. But this one looks pretty attractive. I don't know how it's gonna be, but yeah, pretty much it, guys. Now, if you found any value from this video, please do drop a like down below. That will help promote this video a lot. and hopefully it gets me some subscribers as well. And also, if you, as I said in the beginning, I post videos to do with business, side hustles, money, and all that kind of stuff. And if you are interested, please do subscribe. That will help me come off this thing. 1 subscriber, nearly 0. Hopefully we can get this channel up very soon, guys. And yeah, I'll see you in the next video.